What can I do if my organization receives an accommodation request that seems unreasonable or unfeasible? Before determining whether an accommodation request is unreasonable, take the time to engage with the customer. A conversation can often clarify their specific needs and help identify a solution that works for them and your organization. Many requests that seem unfeasible at first may have alternative approaches that are manageable. If a request truly requires a long-term fix, consider what interim accommodations can be provided. This might involve reasonable modifications or effective communication strategies to ensure the customer can still access your services. For example, if an ordering system isn't currently screen reader accessible and the issue can't be immediately fixed, especially if it's due to a third-party platform, you could offer phone ordering or another alternative. Regardless of feasibility, it's essential to acknowledge the request, express appreciation for the feedback, and show a genuine commitment to accessibility improvements. Customers want to know that their concerns are taken seriously and that progress is being made, even if the ideal solution takes time. Accessible web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.